we going today, guys?
Boston! Boston! Red Sox and boy bands!
So we just stopped at the rest stop to pee.
I got free coffee because I have the Dunkin' Donuts app and the Patriots won. So get the Dunkin' Donuts app because you'll get free coffee.
Yeah, apparently. We're like an hour and a half from Boston, and I'm really excited. I feel like we're gonna have to pee again in like 5 seconds.
And it's raining.
Catherine's like downing a coffee.
Oh yeah.
And I always have to pee. We're putting 4 in because what better way to celebrate? Wait, we never told them why we're going to Boston.
Yeah, we did.
We're going to Boston to see One Direction. Duh.
Why else would we go to Boston?
Why else do I travel? We made it to the hotel. So now do a room tour. Have a mirror and a TV. TV.
And a Catherine.
And a Stephanie. She's very rare. I'm vlogging.
Oh god, it's
So I'm with Lindsay. Stop rolling your eyes. This is like my best friend from high school. She lives in Boston. So where are we? Look at the camera, not the screen. Where are we?
We're at Boston Beer Works in Fenway.
What'd you get?
You looking at me?
Yeah.
I got a chicken sandwich with avocado.
Yeah. California. So we just had a really good dinner. I don't remember where Beer Works. It was really good. Lindsay took us there. I've known Lindsay forever. Now we are going back to the car.
It's cold out here.
And it feels really good. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to Quincy Market and then we're going to see One Direction. It's Catherine's first time. She's never seen a One Direction concert before. So we're really
I'm
excited.
excited.
Stephanie, what are you wearing?
I am wearing this shirt from Forever 21.
Yes.
And these boots are from Payless.
Alright.
I don't remember where I got these jeans.
Cute. Catherine?
H&M.
Alright.
H&M.
Alright.
Converse.
Yeah. This tank top from Paxton. And then this circle skirt from Wet Seal. Boots from Paxton. And socks from Topshop. Wait. Some girl just told Catherine that she heard they were staying at the Tipton Hotel.
The Tipton.
Guys, the Tipton is from Sweet Life of Zach and Cody. It's not a real place. I googled it. It's not real. So now we are on the way to Quincy Market.
Woo! Get some food.
Quincy Market. We made it.
Yay!
Where are we?
We are at Cheers.
Cheers! Just like the TV show. Yay! It looks so good. We're so hungry. And it's so cute. We're on the patio.
It took me a while to break them in.
Just looking out at the ocean. This breeze feels amazing.
My hair is going everywhere.
So we just parked.
Yay!
For free.
For free.
Hello. We got ice cream.
I got a smoothie.
I got ice cream.
Yeah. I don't know. I was feeling like I was thirsty. I didn't really want
Feeling fruity.
like ice cream and dairy,
Yeah.
so I got strawberry mango smoothie. We're here.
I'm freaking out, man.
What?
Freaking out.
We just got to our seats. If we're buying these last night, they're not bad.
They're really good.
Like, they're pretty good. So we just got merchandise. Stephanie got the black shirt that I already have.
And I won't lose it.
She better not. She lost her 5 sauce one.
So pissed. This one is my baby.
So our actually super excited because Augustana, is that how you say it, are also opening tonight. And this is the last leg of the US tour, so we're so excited. And they're going on right now.
And maybe Rory will be here.
Maybe Rory McIlroy, we're like crossing our fingers. Hi! Say hi!
My love is like an ocean.
He's wearing a cute red flannel.
His hair is
like waving.
His hair is going in the wind.
It was waving to us, and everyone was like, ah!
We just saw Louie too. Go.
I'm Danielle, and my favorite Wendy member is Niall Horan.
Yes, Niall.
Niall? I'm Angelina, and I love Harry Styles.
Harry.
My name is Caitlin, and I love Harry.
Harry.
My name is Melissa, and I'm a movie girl.
Yes, Louie.
Where's my...
How you feeling? Are you good? Yeah?
I'm 1DAF. You're too young to be saying AF. It's my birthday in a couple of hours. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling next to you. You don't know about me, but I'll let you on too. Happy birthday, my blessings. I love you. Good night, Victor. This one's for you. This is Don't Forget Me, Love. Oh, sick. It's a birthday boy. Woo! Let me sing it, Boston. Sandy's getting married. Make some noise. If you're not getting married, so I'm talking about a bunch of single Pringles down this side.
Yes!
Make some noise if you're getting married. It's a lot. She's lying. There's a man and a woman there, I don't think they're married, and she's like, woo! And he's like, what? What? We haven't discussed this! My friend Miley down there, this one's for you, okay? Alright, so I want to see you clap your hands, this is through the door. Carry you on, fire and wood for your love. Change your ticket. Oh yeah, we're good. Boston! Boston! Shall we sing happy birthday tonight? Jesus, almost. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Niall. Happy birthday to you.
We're insane people. And we left doing best song ever.
Make it to Bedford Airport.
We're trying to make it to the
gonna do
airport to try and see them.
Jump the fence.
This is what we do for these boys.
I need to start running. Holy shit.
I'm out of breath. We're almost to the car. I can see it. There's no way they're already in their car. Okay, so we made it to the car. We're kind of dying.
We're a little bit stuck
But
in
oh
traffic.
shoot, I just hit the mirror.
I lost my voice.
And we're not stuck in as much traffic as we want, or like we were thinking, so we're crossing our fingers when we make it to the airport before they do. And that this person is right is that I can't even talk because I'm so nervous. Okay, this person is right that's giving us this information. Come on, traffic. We're so nervous. We just got off at the airport.
There's people waiting at the
People
gate.
waiting at the gates.
Oh, they're waiting.
Bye. No, don't go. I want to cry. I feel like my boyfriend's leaving.
No, they wave though. I know. That's cute.
Someone let me change the ticket.
Oh. We should probably stay.
Stay a couple more days.
So we just went to the airport and we watched their plane leave.
But we waved
They were
goodbye.
waving through the window.
And through the window
And
we
it's
saw
pouring.
Liam.
Like I sound like so sad.
It's really sad. Stephanie cried.
But
It's okay. It's raining outside, so we all cried.
it was an experience. Felt like the Notebook.
It did.
pretty sad. But it was a good ending to the night.
Yeah. Time for some late night McDonald's.
Oh, we're all girls.
So we just got back to the hotel
To pee.
for their McDonald's. We waited in that line for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. It was a great day though.
It was a good day.
really was.
Eventful, as you can tell from our videos.
Yes. So we just woke up
Yep.
and we're checking out of our hotel room. We're sad. Post-concert depression still. PCD.
It's so
We have a serious case of PCD.
Someone else.
As you can tell, we're all wearing our t-shirts.
So we just stopped at the mall. We're gonna try and find some Starbies. Starbies.
And food.
And food. So we met other One Direction fans. So what are your names?
Tessa.
Tessa, Kayla, Jill, Kayla.
I'm Kayla.
All right. Who are your favorites?
Niall.
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 What do we get?
I got an iced white mocha with no whip, and then I got a turkey pesto sandwich.
Yum.
Got a strawberry and cream crab and sausage and cream cheese.
Yum. I got sausage, egg, and cheese too, and passion tea lemonade. Woo. Are you kidding? This looks so good. We're getting the sandwich.
I had to
You
get
wanna know
it.
why? Because we have no control.
We got it.
What do we have today, guys? We have.
Oh.
Wait,
All right.
First bite.
We're gonna try it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god.
Okay, we need to order 6 more of these.
Best $4 I've ever spent in my life.
this tastes like what One Direction sounds like.
Stephanie pumping gas. You know what's funny about this is she's never really done it before because she's from New Jersey and it's illegal to pump your own gas in New Jersey. We just got to Providence and we're having lunch at Fat Belly's Irish Bar.
Our waitress just asked, "Oh, you guys gonna order food?" No, we
just
just
came for
gonna get
water.
water. No.
Okay, so we just finished lunch.
So now we're going on the highway.
I'll probably jam out.
And the dreams you left behind, you didn't.
Like every single lesbian.
You said I could wake up with amnesia and forget about the stupid little things.
So we just got off at a rest stop in Connecticut.
I have to wee.
I have to wee.
I have to wee. Sorry, I have to wee.
There's a sign that there's a cheese boy in here.
We need another sandwich.
So if there's another s'more sandwich, we're getting it. So we got it, and they put cheese on it. So I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I guess we'll see. It's not horrible, but like, why is there cheese in it? It's better without.
Why would you put a cheese in a s'more? Like, who thought of that?
So we're almost back. This was such a fun trip, and I hope you guys liked the vlog. If you did, put a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. I love you all, and thanks for watching. Oh, your face is a sun.
I'm glowing.